The #1 CMM software is the only employee scheduling software with an employee task scheduler that works offline when an internet connection isn't available. Campground owners and managers can now manage all campground operations from a single, intuitive platform, regardless of their location. The CMM software provides a smarter, faster, and easier way to sync the work camper's criteria from the CMM website so you are up and running in minutes. Use the provided maintenance duty list, create your own, or combine the two. Create weekly and monthly schedules. Repeat and edit weekly and monthly schedules. Print and email weekly and monthly schedules to managers and work campers. Avoid tardiness with automatic shift reminders. Maintain an up-to-date profile of active and inactive work campers. Use the request time off form to approve and replace scheduled work campers. Use the work camper payroll list form, vendors and suppliers list form, and projects list form. Install on the number of required Windows devices, all under one license. Let's get started. Join today and test drive the CMM software free for 60 days.